Alright guys, in this video, I will show you exactly how you can give access to someone to one of your page or to your business manager. So as you can see, if you go directly on the page, you won't get any option. You don't have the possibility to share the page to anyone, and don't try to look anything there. It's not here, okay? Because now you have the possibility to switch off profile, okay? And the page is now considered as a profile. So what you have to do is to click on your profile and then to click on your page. And as you can see, it will switch to the page. And then you will here get access to the settings, and this is where you will be able to give access to somebody else. So you just have to click on settings. Then you will have to click on page setup, just here, and page access. And now you can control who has access to your store, and you can also click on manage if you want to give access to someone else. Then you click on go to Meta Business Suite, and here you have the possibility to assign new people. So you just have to paste the mail, okay? In case the person has already been added to the business account, you can just give them the access. But in case you don't have enabled the person to use the business account yet, you have to click on add a person to add it to your business manager and then to your Facebook page, okay? So I will show you how you can access to this page without going there with the page. If you want to just give someone access to the business manager but not specifically to a page, you just have to stay on the business manager, okay? Then you will click on people just here. You will click on invite people. You will paste the mail you want to, of the person you want to invite. But you will see that, you will have other option if you don't know the mail of the person yet. Then you just you can click on next, okay? You can click if you want to give all the access or not, okay? Then you can select to give access to a page if you want, to give access to specific ad accounts if you want, same for the pixels, okay? Then you can click on next, you can review the invitation and click on invite, okay? So if I click on invite, the invitation will be sent, okay? In that case, I can't do it because the person is already in the business portfolio. But once you will have clicked on give the access, the person will receive a link by mail. And this link can be used by anyone, okay? It doesn't have to be used by the person who has received the link. So in the case you don't know yet who you want to invite on your business, what I invite you to do is to send this email to anybody. It can be someone in your family, a friend, we don't care. Just to get this invitation link. Why? Because if you will get banned. Nowadays, you will get banned if you are running ad on Meta. Maybe it will be tomorrow, maybe in 2 days, maybe in 1 week, but you will get banned. But when you will be banned, if you didn't give access to anyone to your business manager, you will have lost absolutely everything. The page, the pixel, the ad account. You won't be able to use all the material, the resources that you have created and used since now. But in case you have already shared the link to someone else, you can use that link to get access to the business manager and to continue to run ads, even if your own profile has been banned. So that's why that's really important. So the goal of the video was not to explain you that, but the goal of the video was to explain you how you can give access. Now you have understood. But just a quick advice, just think about the future. Just be sure that you prepare everything in case something bad happened, okay? Give me a like if you enjoyed it, and don't hesitate to subscribe if you want to see more tutorials.